Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Minecraft turkey. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Minecraft turkey, we're going to begin with the beak. So we're going to start right here. Let's begin by drawing a line that comes down. Next we're going to draw a long line here and another long line right there. Then we'll make a nice line that comes down here for a little rectangle. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down, a line that comes straight down, and then another one that connects to here for the side of the beak. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down. It's going to run right along the side of the beak. We're going to make a line that comes over and then down. Now, right underneath here, let's draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to go over and then up for like a long rectangle. Then we're going to make a little diagonal line here with a line that comes up. Then we'll make a little line that comes over. Starting here, let's draw a line that comes down at an angle. We're going to come straight down and then connect it to here for the head of our little Minecraft turkey. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over and then down for an eye, and one that's going to come up and then over here. Then I'm going to color in most of this, or on each one of these little squares. And then right here I'm going to make a line that goes over, down, and in for a little bit more of the eye. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that comes over. Then I'm going to make a line that comes down. I'm going to make a line that goes over. We're going to come up and then in for the body of our little Minecraft turkey. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go over. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that comes across. Next, I'm going to make two diagonal lines right here, and a line that comes across. Then I'm going to make a little diagonal line on each corner. Make a line that connects it, and then another line right up here, and that'll make the wing for our turkey. Right here, we'll draw a line that comes down, and then we'll just draw a line over to connect it to the wing. Over here, I'm just going to make a line that goes out. It's going to come down and then back up for the other wing, and then a little line that comes across. Starting here, I'm going to draw 1, 2, and 3 little lines for a leg. And we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to make 1, 2, and 3 little lines. I'm going to make a line that comes across right along the bottom of each one. Then I'm going to make a line that goes down, and then it's going to come over and up. So we go down, over, and then up for the feet. And I'm going to draw a little line that comes down right there, just to make it look a little more three-dimensional. Now we need to make the little kind of tail feathers. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come out. And then I'm going to make a line that goes up. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes in, then up. I'm going to go in again, and then I'll come up. Next, I'll make a line that comes across, and I'm going to go down, then I'm going to go over and down. And then right over here, I'll make a little line that's just going to go out. It's going to come up and then in right by the beak. Now, starting here at this corner, let's make a little diagonal line. I'll make one right here, one here, and then one here. I'll make a line down, down, we'll go down to here, and then we just want to connect it at a diagonal. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little Minecraft turkey. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.